Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the last content of the Goods and Services text. I will tell you with the help of the accounting statement how to pass the journal entries within the state and outside the state. This question belongs to your intrastate within the state. Journal entries will be passed as usual you know in the chapter journal. So here the so many journal entries are listed and the pass the journal entries in the books of Ashoka brothers by assuming that the entries dealing within the Delhi, that means within the one state, and assuming the CGST with the 6% and SGST is the 6%. If it is outside, then IGST will take the place in place of the CGST and SGST with the rate of 12%. But we are discussing within the state, that's why the rate is divided into two parts. So here the so many transactions are listed here. Like the first is the goods purchase 2 lakh on credit. So you may see the entry is not getting the chase purchase to creditors with the amount of 2 lakh. But in addition, the input CGST and input SGST will take place and the rate of 6% will be applied on the 2 lakh. That means the value of purchase. And maybe in cash, maybe on credit. When it is on credit, the total amount is payable to the creditors. So the second one is referring to the entry goods sold for rupees 3 lakh on credit. This is by mistake, printing error 3 lakh is there. So 3 lakh on credit. So the solution is referring the debtors to sale with the 3 lakh and the because the money is needed to receive or the flow is there, so that means the output CGST and output SGST will take the place. When it is receivable then or received, then output will be take considered and the rate will be applied on the value of sale. That means the 6% will be applied on the 3 lakh. And now in the same way the computer printer 50,000 purchase and the payment made by check. So here you may see the office equipment to bank with the 50,000 remain as usual. Do you know the entry? And the input CGST and input SGST will consider here and the rate will be applied on the value of office equipment means 50,000. And our next entry is the legal consultation fees paid with the amount of 10,000. Now the entry is passed legal fees to cash with the amount of 10,000, but the input CGST and the SGST will be charged on the value of legal fees at the rate of 6%. And now the next is the rent paid by check. The entry is the same, rent to bank, and the input CGST and input SGST will be charged at the rate of 6% on the 20,000 means the value of rent. So up to this you all have passed the entries and the last entry is referring to set of the entries means the payment made the balance. Word is referring the setting of the CGST and IGST. So I am moving how to pass the now this entry. If the question is saying first pass the all the entries as per the transactions and then before to pass the set of entries the last entry, that means there is a need to first to calculate the output CGST value and the input CGST value from the passing entries which you have already passed up to the January 22. The above entries you have to collect the total balance in your hand in the same manner of the SGST output and the input SGST will be calculated. And now the entry is output CGST, suppose 18,000 total is there, and then the two input CGST is 16,000. The rest of the 2,000 will be paid to 18,200 minus 16,000. The rest of amount 1,200 will be paid to the government. You may pass separate entry or you may pass collective entry. The second is the outputs SGST is 18,200 and then the minus the 18,000 minus the input SGST 16,800. The difference is to be paid to government with the amount of 1,200. Here the 24 means 1,200 plus 1,200 for the both will be paid to the government because the both are coming collectively. So their difference always remain same. Input values and the output values always remain same. So you have to calculate first. But in the some cases, the output value may be equivalent to the input value. So then the payment will not be done. But if the output value is less than the input, then up to the value of output you can cover only the input value. So that means this is the need to first to calculate the output values, and out from the output only the input can be covered or can be set off. Otherwise you have to wait for the latest for the sale. So I think this is the clear now. This is the first example. Now I'm moving to the interstate example. Interstate means when the goods and services supplied from the one state to the another state. So these are the entries. First you have to pass the all the five entries, and then you have to pass the set of entries. Here the question is not demanding, but we will discuss about how to set up as a point number 6. But here the question is, first the goods purchase 1,50,000 and payment is made to check. So you may see here the purchase is debited, but in because it is an interstate, so input IGST will be placed on the 1,50,000, and the second is rate is the 12%. In the same manner, the goods 1 lakh outside the state on credit, you have to pass the entry data to sales, and the output IGST will be applied the rate on the 1 lakh. And the next one is the 5 entry. First you have to pass the sale of goods 1,80,000 locally on credit. When it is on the credit, it means the entry will be the data to sales, and the rate will be applied on to the value of sale, output CGST, and output uh, I output SGST. Because this entry is locally word is there, it means the within the state. So you have to look when it is outside only, then the IGST will be placed. Now the next one is the telephone bills, because the telephone bills also remain local areas. So the telephone bills too, then the input CGST and the input SGST will be placed on the value of telephone bills to bank. And now next one is referring to your uh, purchase AC and paid the amount in cash. When it is the office, again it is purchased from the local area. So that means you have to put here input CGST and input SGST. But if it is from the outside the state, then club the both IGST. So these entries, first of all, you have to pass. Entries up to 1 to 5 has been passed as per the given conditions. Now the point number 6 I am attaching here the set of the all the IGST and the SGST and the CGST. But now you are referring to first, again I am saying to calculate the total output IGST and the total input IGST. In the same manner, the total of input and output of the CGST and the SGST you have to calculate by the first five entries, or you may have passed before the all the setup of the entries. Here you may see the working note first. The conditions number next six entries I am referring to. The first is output IGST value is 18,000 uh, from the first to five entries, and then the input is 18,000 and the output is 12,000. You have to cover the input from the output. So you see here the output is less than the input. So up to the value of output you have to pass the entries only. Output to input, that means 12,000, because you don't have the values to cover from the output. Now the still the input IGST remain in your hand 6,000. So as per the traditional method, that is to be covered after covering the CGST. So conditions number 2, this is the first entry. Now point number 6 you may see output to input IGST with the amount of up to the value of output. Now the still input in hand 6,000 needs to cover. It will be covered as per the traditional order after covering the pine numbers 2 you may see here, and the entry number 7 I am moving now. First you have to write down the output CGST as a balance that is in your hand now 18,800, and see CGST's the total balance you have the 1800. Now in your hand 9000. So what does it means? Now you may cover the pie number 1 balance 6000 from the 9000. So it means the entry is first from the input is covered from the output, and then the IGST input is covered. The rest of the balance is where the electronic cash you may write down word here to only the bank or to the cash account. That means with the balance amount remain in your hand, take 3000 to the government. So what does it means? This is the traditional order now, but as a modern order I am saying too, that means that these entries will be passed in the output will be debited with the 10,800, and first the input IGST will be covered, that is 6,000, then the out of the 4,800, then the CGST will be covered, and the order is only going to be changed now, and the rest of amount will be paid. So I'm telling you, you may see here the last first above entries. This is passing with the same order as according to the new conditions. So this is referring to the condition 1 is not setting off, the IGST is not affected, but the entries related to the pie numbers 2 working note number 2 you may see here the 10,000, then first is the IGST will be covered from the 4800, then the uh, as CGST will be covered, and the rest amount is paid. This is the just only the difference between the circle made. In the same manner, you have to look at the uh, last entry, that is the output SGST is given 10,800, and the because you don't have the balance now related with the IGST, so it will not be affected to this entry. But suppose if it is not there, it will be covered from the SGST. So here only the input SGST is covered, and the rest of amount is to be paid. So I think this is the traditional method. Still there is not affected only the pie numbers 2 entries like the sec- second last entry. So this is the concept. Now by making the practices, I think it will provide you the more clarity and make focus how to set up. So I think this is done now. Thank you.